Okay, Junior Project Taxes page. This is a part that sometimes kids get a little caught up in. So first off, how do we figure what's our job 1 Michigan median income and what is our job 2 Michigan median income? So our first one, actually this would be my job 1, which is my building inspector. Remember that was that Michigan median wage that we highlighted. And so my annual pay that I'm using for this project will be $49,800. Okay, and then my job 2, which I had approved, is $70,000. So, okay, so we're going to go to a website of H&R Block. So it's hrblock.com. Okay, so this looks simple. All right, so we want to go to tax calculator and tips. Here it asks your filing status, which is single. Always put single, whether you're married in your dream world or not. All right, your age, so remember we are 28. Oops, didn't finish. Let me finish. Okay, so my first job was $49,800 for my total wages. So I want to calculate. And this is going to come up. All right, so for my first job, I'm not going to have any children. So then I just want to click, so I don't have any dependents, so I'm just going to click on results. So the amount I owe in taxes is $6,200. So on your job 1, federal taxes owed, going to write $6,200. Okay. Job 2. So my $70,000 job. Okay, now I'm going to go back up to click on personal. I'm going to have 1 child for my job 2. Okay, and so I have $70,000 is what I make. I click on results again. And then so for my job 1 is 9,000. Oops, I'm going to put 9,235. Okay, so here I'm going to write 0 because I'm not having any children for that, and I have 1 for that one. Okay, so all right, so now, okay, what we're focusing, we're going to take the Michigan median income. Okay, so I want to put 49800, going to multiply it by 0.0435. Okay, so it equals 2,166.30 cents. However, to make things a little easier, don't worry about this decimal. So just focus on the full dollars amount. All right, so I'm going to write 2,2166. So those are my state tax owed. Okay, all right, and so now go back to my calculator. I'm going to take 70,000. I'm going to multiply it by 0.0435, and it's 3,045. Okay, so those are my state taxes. So now we're going to go to Social Security taxes. Okay, we're still using the same 49,800. So 49,800. Okay, this time I'm going to use the decimal of 0.0735. So times 0.0735. Okay. All right, and that's 3,660. Okay, multiply 70,000 times 0.0735, 5,145. Okay, so this asks what was my total taxes owed. So I take my job 1, okay, and so up here my federal taxes was 6,200. Okay, so 6200. Okay, my job 2 was 9235. My state tax was 2,166. And 3,045 for my state tax. My Social Security for job 1 was 3,660. And for job 2 it was 5,145. Okay, we're going to go back to the calculator. Okay, so clear out everything. So we have 6,200 plus 2,166 plus 3,660. Okay, so my total taxes for job, is $12,026. Okay, calculator again. I will do 9235 plus 3045 plus 5145. That equals 17,425. Okay. All right. So, job 1, my Michigan median income is 4,980. I'm sorry, 49,800. And then for my job 2, it's $70,000. Remember, that's that number from up here. Okay, so we're just bringing it down here, and then we're taking what was our total taxes that we paid. 12,026, 17,425. So now we need to get our calculator up, and we're going to do some subtraction. So 49,800. Oh, hold on, got to clear out that calculator. 49,800 minus 12,026. Okay, my after taxes. After I've paid all my taxes, I will make $37,774. Okay, go back again. I'm going to clear everything. I put in my 70,000, subtract 17,425. Okay, so my after-tax income is 52,575. Okay. Again, if you are paying more in taxes than you're making, you made a mistake somewhere. So just be careful. Watch those decimals. So this 0.0735 and this 0.0435 are really important. So you're going to do, and when you put it in the calculator, it's 0.0435. Anyhow, so now this after-tax income is going to be very important. You're going to take these numbers and put it into part 2. So this is the end of how to calculate your taxes. Now, if you're having a really hard time, I do have another resource. So you're just going to have to come talk to Mrs. Damon or look in her teacher drive under Junior Project Helpers. So anyhow, hope this helps.